Chain lube versus gear oil. Which one is better? If you are into motorcycles, you have probably heard this debate more than once before. But before we pick sides, let's understand why we even need the lubes in the first place, especially when modern O-ring chains are marketed as maintenance free. O-ring chains come with grease sealed inside the rollers, held in place by rubber O-rings. That internal grease stays put, so technically the chain lubricates itself where it matters the most, inside the rivets. So, why do we still lube the chain? The answer is protection. External lube protects the chain from rust, reduces the wear on the sprocket, and keeps those rubber O-rings soft and effective. Let's talk about gear oil first. It's cheap, easy to find, and if you are maintaining your bike at home, it's a solid option for rust protection. You can apply with a brush or cloth, wipe it down, and you are done. Pros: inexpensive, excellent rust prevention, easy to clean off. Cons: messy, flings off at high speeds, not great for quick on-the-go use. Now let's talk about chain lube sprays. These are designed specifically for motorcycle chains. They are compact, clean, and super convenient, especially while touring. Pros: easy to carry, cleaner application, purpose-built for chain protection. Cons: more expensive, still some fling off, and not ideal if you're on a tight budget. Personally, I use both. At home, I have plenty of room, so I keep 1 liter bottle of gear oil, a can, and a cleaning cloth. I use gear oil during regular maintenance. It's cost effective and works great. But when I'm out touring, I carry chain lube cans. It's easy to use, compact, and won't spill in my luggage. So, which one is better? Honestly, there is no best. It depends on the old code 5W and 1H. What are you using it for? Who is doing the maintenance? Where are you riding? When do you apply it? Why do you prefer one over the other? And how do you maintain your bike? The best chain lube is the one that fits your style, your ride, your needs, and your budget. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite chain lube. And if you want to know my favorite gear oil or the chain lube I use, check the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more motorcycle maintenance tips. Ride safe, stay clean, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.